Months ago, we put on a RevOps event, and I was super surprised to find out that most of the attendees had found out about us through Dark Social. Now, Dark Social is probably the most important channel that we need to take notice of today. Our products and services are being talked about in so many places, and they're not being tracked on Google or HubSpot. And this is what I call Dark Social. For example, if someone posts a question in a WhatsApp group or in a Facebook group or in LinkedIn or anywhere else, and the answer is you or your product or your service, then what that person's going to do is going to take that information, Google you, and when they come to you, your website or wherever they meet you, Google or HubSpot's going to say that they came in through organic search or direct link, and that's not going to give you the whole story. So let's focus on what can you do to take advantage of Dark Social so that they will find you. So here's some tips. First, be aware that it exists, and make sure and talk to your team and get buy-in from all departments, because you're going to need their help. Because the goal is to get people to talk about you and your company and its products. Second, provide an incredible customer experience at every level, from the second they meet your first piece of content to using your product as a customer, and everywhere in between. People love to share experiences with what's going on. And one of the ways to make that easy is be on peer-to-peer networks like G2. And by the way, that's kind of like Dark Social, what I just did. I just talked about G2. So the third tip would be to drive people to Dark Social is making your content and everything you do easy to share out there. Be on podcasts, go to meetups, speak at meetups, at events. And one more thing, now that you know and you've bought into Dark Social, make sure you are prioritizing your activities accordingly. Thanks.